In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can go back to the default settings in Blender. So only here, if we change something, because you can do this in Blender, you can customize this the way you want. Maybe here we want to add, and here we want to change to the timeline. And now kind of everything is messed up. Everything is not set the right way, and we don't really want this. So in this case, if you are in this situation, setting that we have in Blender, it's very helpful, and is to go here to File, and then here you go to Defaults, and here you have Load Factory Settings. So File, Defaults, Load Factory Settings. Click on that, click again, and now we literally have the default settings and if now I start a new general, this is not the same, because you have to go back, Load Factory Settings, and then you go back to File, Default, and you click on Save Startup File. Now if I start a new project, as you can see, is literally the same. Let's delete something. New, general, don't save, and it's back to the default. And this is in, if you are curious, this is in Blender 3.6. And maybe if you want to start Blender and you want to increase the, let's go to Edit, Preferences, and you want to increase here the resolution scale. You also want to go to System, and you want to add your computer. If you want to start Blender this way, just click on Startup, Save Startup File. And now if you go, it's literally the same now. So I really hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something. If you have any suggestions for the next Blender tutorial, let me know in the comments section. Thank you for watching.